Hi guys, and welcome to Julius Babaw Unplugged. Today we're going to unbox 3 Jordan 1s, and for our grand finale later, we're going to unbox this half-scale Wonder Woman statue by Prime 1 Studios. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification for latest updates about our vlogs. So guys, are you ready? Let's go!
Julius Babaw Unplugged. Julius Babaw. Julius Babaw Unplugged. Julius Babaw Unplugged.
I have with me here 3 Jordan 1s, 2 Jordan lows, Air Jordan 1 mid shattered backboard. Okay, here we go. From my Boost Closet. Here it is, guys. Yeah. It's much different from the original one, which is the OG. Although yung leather na ginamit dito is much different from the original one. I think this is made of a softer kind of leather. As you can see, it's a combination of 3 colors. This is the starfish orange and white. The black overlays is made of nubuck fabric, as well as the ankle collar, which is also made of nubuck fabric. Swoosh is made of a shiny kind of leather. And on the side, you will see the stamp of the Wings and Ball logo of Nike. Let's look at the front. The tongue, it's colored black, and the nylon laces are also in black, which makes the Jordan Air logo stand out. The midsole, it's white, and on the outsole, it's all charcoal black, which is quite awesome. This is the shattered backboard low. Let's open it, guys. Here we go. There. The materials used for the low is pretty much the same as the mid, but the pattern of the colors were changed. So let's try to compare the two. Okay, let's look at the difference. The swoosh of the low is colored black, while the swoosh of the mid is orange. And the vamp. The low's vamp is colored orange, but the mid is white. The logo on the tongue is also different. It's white on the low, but orange on the mid with an air text. On the back, there is a stamp of the Wings and Ball logo that's parang embedded on the fabric. But dito sa mid, it's on the side. The low is also made of a soft kind of leather with overlays of nubuck fabric around the sneakers, as well as on the collar. The collar is also made of nubuck, and the vamp is also made of nubuck, unlike the mid, which is made of leather. Midsole is colored white, but another difference is the outsole. See? The low is colored orange, while the mid is colored black. So what do you think of the shattered backboard low and high? For me, they both look amazing. Value for money. They're not so expensive. I think you can still get them from resellers for around 12,000 to 15,000 up. Hindi na siguro lalagpas ng 15,000 yun. Because I checked with StockX, lumalabas na ang going price ngayon nitong dalawa is about $100 plus. So it's not that high as compared to the OGs, which are now selling for about 30 to 40,000 pesos in the Philippines. So value for money, guys. Okay to. Jordan also released a purple version of the low. Let us unbox this one. Here it is. The pattern used on the purple is similar to the orange. See? Parang ano yan, magkapatid. Same fabric, same pattern. The swoosh is the same. It's also made of a shiny leather. The uppers are made of white leather. And the black overlay panel is also made of nubuck leather, as well as the vamp. They're different in colors, but the material used are the same. And on the back, similar pa rin, no? That's the stamp of the wing logo. Even the number 23 is seen on the tongue. Neo and I are going to unbox the half-scale Wonder Woman by Prime 1. O, Neo, ready ka na ba?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go! So natin. Bigat! Grabe! Wow! Thank you pala sa Maxi Collector dito sa toy na ito. Sa kanila kami nag-order. Uy, it comes with a manual. No? Kung paano i-assemble itong si Gal Gadot. Medyo mahirap, no? Medyo maraming mga details. Hiwa-hiwala yung parts ng katawan, tapos bubuuin namin para maging ganito. Okay? Ang bigat nito, grabe. So, it's time to open the box. Neo, tingnan natin. Yun! Wow, ang ganda naman.
What the?
Oh, what's that? That's the shield with the hand. Oh, that's the shield with the arm. Tapos ito si Gal. Dapat maingat tayo, no?
This is like a real child shield.
Tingnan nyo naman ang details ng face. No? Kamukha talaga ng actress na si Gal Gadot, who played Wonder Woman in the new DC movie. Okay? Gal Gadot. Ay, may nandiyan si Neo. Okay, lagay muna natin siya rito. We bring out the sword. Ito yung sword. Okay. Ito yung lasso. Buksan mo to. Neo, ano to? Ano mo nga? What is that?
Shoulder plate.
Parang sa belt yata to. Now, the legs. Oh, bigat mo, Gal. Grabe ka. Hey, Gal. You're so heavy, Gal.
How heavy? Sabi mo, how heavy?
This is about 10 pounds, I think. 10 pounds heavy. Teka. 10 pounds heavy to, ha? Oh my gosh! Sadali. Ayan, ha? Okay. Wow! Napagod naman ako sa sobrang bigat. Hiwalay pala yung box nung figure mismo ni Wonder Woman saka yung kanyang stand. Yung stand pa lang, sobrang bigat na ho. Okay, it's time to open it. So, buksan na ho natin itong stand niya o yung base niya. Okay, Neo. O yun. Ganun lang pala kasimple yun. Kala ko naman kung ano laman itong pagkalaki-laking box na ito. Ganyan lang pala siya. It's just a square base.
There's something.
Ano yan? What's that? It is... So, nailabas na natin yung stand na pagkabigat-bigat. So, itayo na natin itong figure mismo. So, let's start with Wonder Woman's legs o yung lower part ng katawan niya. Ayun. Okay. Next is the body. There. Dito. Yun. Okay. And yung kanyang arms.
Ow. Did I eat the hot dogs? Yes, I did.
There. But it's steel. Bakal siya, oh. Diba?
Chicken.
Be careful, baka masugat ka.
Okay.
Yun. Oo nga. Ando to nasa kailangan ko ba tanggalin tong clip na to?
Ganda ng hair. Oo.
Hello.
Ganda ng hair. Mahaba hair.
There's plastic though. There's plastic.
Yun.
Sa hair ko. You know, it's art ko. Dahil ko lang. Magpaka-stylist.
Maka-stylist na ako dito. Ganda eh, oh. Yan. Tapos ito. So, Neo and I, we're going to put this Wonder Woman in our Hall of Heroes. Sino mga heroes na nandun?
Batman, Superman, Iron Man.
Iron Man. Sino pa?
Joker.
And Joker. Oo, kasi meron kaming collection ng mga half-scale na mga Marvel and DC superheroes. So, what do you think, guys? What do you think of the Wonder Woman half-scale? Okay ba ito? Post your comments below and like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Julius Babaw Unplugged. And thank you and welcome to our new subscribers. At si Tintin ha, follow nyo rin and subscribe to Christine Babaw's channel sa YouTube. And always hit the notification bell. So, babayin na tayo muna, Neo.
Bye.
Bye guys! See you soon! Hope you had fun! Bye!